Welcome to the Eddie Franklin Wild Animals tutorial. Let's get started. Alligator. It's an alligator. Baboons. They're baboons. Bear. It's a bear. Bobcat. It's a bobcat. Cheetahs. They are cheetahs. Coyote. It's a coyote. Crocodile. It's a crocodile. Elephant. It's an elephant. Fox. It's a fox. Giraffes. They're giraffes. Gorilla. It's a gorilla. Grizzly bear. It's a grizzly bear. Hippo. It's a hippo. Kangaroos. They're kangaroos. Leopard. It's a leopard. Lion. It's a lion. Monkey. It's a monkey. Otter. It's an otter. Panda. It's a panda. Penguins. They are penguins. Polar bear. It's a polar bear. Raccoon. It's a raccoon. Rhino. It's a rhino. Sea lion. It's a sea lion. Tiger. It's a tiger. Walrus. It's a walrus. Wolf. It's a wolf. Wolverine. It's a wolverine. Zebras. They are zebras. That concludes the Eddie Franklin Wild Animals tutorial. See you next